Hey guys, this is Kyla and welcome back to the Cardello sisters, and it's just Kyla here today, and we are going to be making some pancakes, as you can see. And this is also another way that you can see. I'm in my PJs. So the ingredients you'll be needing is 1 tablespoon of 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 egg, 1 cup of the biscuit, and 1 cup of milk. And I have a bowl, so if I mess up, I can pour over the bowl and I could dump it. As you can see, there's a bowl right here. So let's get started. So first, we will be taking this egg, since I'm near the trash can, and open up the trash can right here. It's a drawer, so you can't see it. And then crack the egg into this. But I like to do this, even though we don't need to, because I like to practice doing this. I'm only getting the yolk. I like just practicing. And now I'm dumping. Got the shell, and I'm gonna go wash my hands right now. Hey guys, I'm back from washing my hands, and now we are going to do the oil, the 2 tablespoons of oil into the bowl. So let's get doing that, and then we'll be able to whisk it with my whisk, of course. Helper, please. Yes, I have a backstage helper. Thank you. Jeez. This is getting slippery work. Jeez, this is heavy. This. Good thing I had that oil. Okay, I think I'm my helper for this. Thank you, helper. One more. Oh, my helper even. A doopy. So now I'm just gonna, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna put that in there, and then I'm gonna whisk it all together. After you whisk your eggs and your oil combined, it should look like yellow or orange consistency. And now we are gonna be doing the biscuit. Definitely, it's 1 cup, 1 only. So don't mess up the recipe. But if you're doing more pancakes than this and you have more guests over, you can do 2. But I'm doing 1 because I just have 4 people in my family, but we're using it for 3. That's what happens when you don't measure carefully. It gets a big mess. Yeah. Know what to do. I need my bowl. Pat it down. Easy, baby, easy. Hey guys, so now we're going to be dumping this into this, and then bobbing, done. And now you get your milk, screw the lid off. I'm using almond milk, and why I'm using almond milk, because it actually, it goes better and makes the pancakes fluffier. So I have 2 of them, because my mom didn't think that this would be enough almond milk. I think it's gonna be enough. Oh God, it flowed. I think that this might be enough, actually. Is that good? Okay, I need something. God, got all over me. Okay, thank you for the napkin. Yeah. I got all over me, and now I am going to whisk it all together. Hey guys, so your batter should look like this, and you should have scraped your sides. And you should heat up your pan right now. And I like to put some chocolate chips into my batter, or my pancakes. And if you don't, then you don't have to, but I like to. So let's do this thing. So first you have to heat up your pan and put the oil onto your pan, so I don't know which way. So we have our bowl. We have 1/4 of a cup, and we have this so we could measure into the pan. And don't fill it all the way up. If you do this, I'm going to pour a little bit out. And make sure you do it around the sides of the pan if you want to get a lot. I'm going to do at least 3 pancakes onto the tray or pan. And then once you start seeing the bubbles around the pancake, then you should flip them. So let's do this. Let's try. Here maybe. Oh yes, this looks good. All around that pancake. I have to let all those fill it up. So now we're gonna be able to do. That's good. So you don't fill it up all the way. It's good. And then maybe over here. I think I'm gonna be able to do 4 probably. A little bit over here. Let's do our next pancake. And scrape the side. And do it right over here. Now, next pancake, I think we could fit 1 more, probably. So, probably not. So right now, I'm gonna do 1 chocolate chip pancake. And I think I should do probably this one. Make sure they get spread it out. Make sure you don't touch the pan and be careful that you actually don't touch the pan because it will be really hot if you do. So please don't touch the pan. Even though you aren't touching the pan, it sometimes feels really hot. I'm gonna do just 1 little 3 for right here, and maybe there. So now we are gonna let those cook until bubbles are forming around the pancakes, and now we are gonna flip them. So we have our pancakes, we flipped them, and they should look like they're golden brown. And now after they cook on that side, we are gonna be putting them on 2 little plates, and then we will probably be able to taste test them. But first there's not gonna be just 1 for my mom, 1 for me, 1 for my dad. We should make more pancakes, like 2 for me, 2 for my mom, 2 for my dad, and 3 for my dad. And so we're gonna make more of them because we have more cake batter, or more pancake batter. And then, so after that, we are gonna be taste testing them, and you guys can test your pancakes if you're copying this video. Bye-bye. So guys, I have my pancakes ready, and I am going to pour the maple syrup in, and then let's see how they taste. I kind of want to do 1 in the chocolate milk, in my own milk they have. So I think I'm gonna do my vanilla one first. Actually, I told you that the almond milk makes the pancakes light and fluffy. It tastes so good. It's light, it's fluffy. I like how it's kind of buttery and crispy. Not too crispy that it's choppy. I would give this 2 thumbs up, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Don't forget to hit that like. And when you hit the bell button, you'll be notified for when a new video pops up. And see you guys. Bye-bye. This is Kyla. Bye-bye.